It's very fast because my phone's about to die. But it's a small update. As you can see, this carburetor cleaner, old filter, pre-filter, kit things, or plug tester, wires, everything. As I rebuilt, this freaking door would be open. Rebuilt carburetor on, wow. Okay, so on the green mower, I charged the battery on the tractor. I put Bosch platinum arc plugs I got for free on there. I don't know how charged it is now because it's been about a week and a half, and I started a few times. There's a crap load of red ants. It's been sitting, but it should start right up. See how much charge it has. It has 11.9 point, yeah. Alright, here we go. And I also adjusted the valves on it. That's why it starts easier. Next video, I'll explain my simple muffler setup. Turn that off. That's always good. Just gotta replace the fuel filter on that now. Now for the green mower, I'll tell you what I did real quick. I built the carb, air filter, pre-filter, and new spark plug. Already had changed oil in it. Do a quick start for you guys. It's freaking hot as balls here in Florida, about 90 something degrees. And you sit there, let it cook. Hold on. Let yourself cook and get to 100. Your car. Here we go. That's an idle. Now it's back to idle. Motor's 17 years old, not that bad. Starts right up every time. Yeah, just doing a quick update. And next video will be on the muffler on that. Give a little bit more explanation. And now this lost spark. That's gonna be fun. Whatever. Still gotta get around to that really old Briggs. Either way, that's it, guys. Upload this when I get the chance. Almost got hit by a spider web. Alright, later.